Sam. I'm gonna take a video of you. I'm excited.
I'm running out of space.
Okay, we need to get a picture. Tama na yan, look out.
Okay. Oh. That looks good.
Looking good, Summer. Maayong hapon, mga Hiligala. Padulong mi sa Cape May Lighthouse. In English, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We're on our way to Cape May Lighthouse. On the house is Summer and Uncle. Summer, eat my dust. Hi, Summer.
Hello.
How are you guys?
Very good.
Are you having fun? Summer!
Stop ka daw muna. Hold on. Fix the camera. Hold on. Okay, go. Go. Hello, guys.
Hello! Kumusta, Sam? Sam, asa ka patulog, Summer? Summer? Come on, Summer! Padulong mo sa Cape May Lighthouse.
Make a right. Make right ka dyan.
This is not,
Hindi pa?
this is not the one.
Just go straight.
There's another one. From Beach Avenue to Cape May Lighthouse, it's only 2-point-something miles.
We're going to Lighthouse.
Here
Dito?
yeah,
Okay, we're gonna make a right.
the Lighthouse Avenue.
You're right.
Speed limit is 30 miles.
Keep right.
The weather is so nice. It's around 60 degrees and it became windy.
Hi, Auntie.
Summer!
Wowee.
What a wonderful dog life.
We're going to the Lighthouse.
Sam, ikapila na lighthouse na nimong nakitaan.
Marami na, Auntie.
Lighthouse na naman? On your right is Cape May Bird Observatory. Summer!
Nag-i-enjoy si Summer.
Enjoy mo lang?
Oh.
Sus, kalami sa life, oy!
Dami na niya daw alikabok na kain.
Be nice, Summer, be nice. Summer, eat my dust. Summer, eat my dust.
Eat my dust.
Eat my dust, Summer.
So the dust will cover your face.
Daghan pud nagabike diri. the best time to go with your furry friends because it's not hot. Spring and fall are the best times. Summer, I'm gonna go fast, Summer. Summer, hurry! Summer, catch up! Woo. Oh, nice house.
Lapit-lapit na tayo sa ano guys, sa lighthouse.
Oh, abi na ako. Layo pa ko. Sam, catch up, Summer.
I love it. It's right.
Sus, enjoy kaayong gamay. Things you can do with your best friend
Ayan na ang lighthouse.
is to go biking.
Lapit na.
Muna niyang lighthouse. We're almost here.
It's right hand.
We're almost here. You'll see the nice lighthouse in Cape May.
Pasok tayo dyan sa may car.
Summer! Woo!
Ayan na.
Yan ang gusto ni Summer, windy.
Okay, go to your left. Hand signal. Go straight up. Straight lang.
Why am I in number 3?
Straight lang. Next one. Okay, left. Turn left. Okay.
This is what Summer wants. Windy. Her hair flies. And look at the lighthouse. You love it.
Okay.
You'll see the lighthouse. Whew.
Okay.
Beautiful lighthouse.
Dito na tayo sa lighthouse. Okay na?
Kita ang lighthouse?
Yep. Come here. Okay, tapos na tayo doon sa lighthouse. Look at that house. Come on. Look at this. Look at the houses here. So nice. Yeah, it's beautiful. Look at this. Yeah, it's a loop. I hope it's not a private property, but we can look at these houses. Ang ganda ng ano nila, oh. There. Here we go. We're chilling. So nice. Look at this house. So nice. Oh, okay. Alright. Let's go. So look at this house. So nice. Look.
May pool doon din na may slide.
Look at this. Okay, we're cruising again. Wait until we get the clear shot. Left. Just stay in my back. Okay, come on, let's go. Palagi kang sa right hand. Okay. We are Wonder.
How is summer doing?
Wonder. Summer's wandering, exploring the place. That's in Dangaros. Wow. Wow, this is the winery. We can go there. Come on, follow me. Follow me, Han. Ito pala yung winery. Ito pala yung ano, winery nila kung gusto nyong bumili ng alak dito. Look at that. Okay. May testing din sila dito kung gusto nyong malasing ng konti. Wow. Beautiful, eh? So ito yung oh, are we in a private line? Are we in a private line? Okay, I think no, we can go through that one. So nice. Oh, look at this. So nice. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Oh, meron dito. Punta tayo dito. They have pond over here. May naa sila yung mga pandari, oh. Ang ganda ng pond nila dito. Yeah, we can. Hello, hi. Okay, paadto tayo sa wine. May wine tasting sila, so magpunta tayo doon. Tingnan natin. Oh, ito na yung winery ano nila.
Oh, nice.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, sure.
Here, dyan oh, sa ano, lalaki.
Sinong lalaki?
Na nagtindig na hubad. Lalaki ba yun?
Winery. Ah, dyan. Okay. Okay. Oh, maglaro tayo ng chess. Pwede tayo maglaro ng chess dito, oh.
Sige, dyan ka. Sige, dyan, sige. Gitna.
Ha? Mag-chess ka.
Sinong nasa loob niyan?
Ewan ko.
Sige, dyan ka tayo. Awakan ko.
Oh.
We've never been here.
Videohan mo tayo, mag-ikot ka na pa video.
Oh, sige.
Get the vineyard.
Pwede.
Vineyard.
Pwede. Sam!
Summer.
Pero mag-utot di.
Okay.
Video. Hi everyone! Summer and Uncle Dada.
Kaya mo yan, oh.
We are here, Cape May Winery.
Sabihin mo pang chessboard.
Chest forward. Chessboard name. Nice place kaayo nindot. Ngaw kaayo ang among
Adventure.
ang among team. I
Adventurous.
love you too.
Mga taga Davao, Manila. Putol man.
Okay. Sige, dikit kay Summer di.
Hello guys. Oh. Woo.
Oh. Sige, let's go.
Okay.
Sige na. Sleepyhead na.
Come here.
Tayo doon, lilito. Thank you din, naisip tayo.
Of course.
Ganyan pala magtubo ng grapes.
Kailangan pa pala magbili pa tayo ng isang ano, yung SD card.
Oh, dapat isa-isa tayo ng GoPro.
Yung 360 lagi.
Oh, yun ang i-gift namin sa'yo.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Ganyan pala mag-vineyard, oh.
Huh? Oh, that's good. Yeah, we can turn here. Oh, look at that. Sandali, kunin ko ng video to. Kunin ko lang ng video to. Kunin ko ng video to. Ay, ikaw na lang mag-video.
Oh, again.
Okay, again.
Again, 1, 2, 3, go.
Summer, look.
1, 2, 3,
Look,
go.
one. Summer, look.
Meat.
Look at.
Meat.
Oh, meat. Summer, look. See?
What is that? Kentucky Fried Chicken.
Kentucky Fried Chicken, Jollibee,
Jollibee. Tauki.
Popeyes.
Popeyes is here.
Everything is here.
McDonald's is here.
Wow.
Oh, Summer. What do you think of the chicken?
And what's that Korean child? Bonso? Look at that. What's that Korean chicken wings? Oh, look at that. See? They're talking to you. They're trying to communicate with you. Sam. Look. Big.
Sam, do you understand, Sam?
It's chicken. All right. Chicken, Summer. Chicken. The chicken. Okay, bye-bye chicken. Bye Jollibee. Bye Kentucky. Popeyes, bye. Bye. See you in the menu.
That's not nice. Sam, what do you think?
See you in the menu. Mga kwan oh. Duck. Geese. Oh. Aha. Natutulog yan sila. Oh, perfect yung aking archery dito. Oh. Pack!
Hindi sa atin magpunta.
Yep, come on. Let's go. Oh. Sabi niyang ganun. Are you a buyer? Are you a customer? Are you a customer? Wangwang, nandun din ang wangwang. Pag i-vlog natin yon, yung mga pangalan, lagyan natin ng parang white, tapos this is Popeyes, Kentucky, Wangwang. Oh. And she's the buyer. Consumer. Botas. Winery is all the way down there. Yep. Ah. No, it's okay. All right, let's go. Oh, look at that. That's nice. It's like a castle. That's owned by James Taylor in Cape Cod. Sorry, we ran out. Oh, look, it's on again. cool. Ay. It's on. It's been on. It's been on. I thought it's run out of SIM card. Still working. Alright. Beach Swamp. Thorn the price? Thor the price? Wow. Amazing, Sam, amazing. Oops, ouch, sorry. I like this. Amoy kabayo. We're gonna make a left turn there. Mag-left turn tayo doon. Ako na mauna.
Careful, my car.
I know.
Hey, Sam. Hey, kamera mo na si Summer pagdating tayo siya na.
Oh, we've been here.
Here, look, on the left. My phone na may slide.
I know. We're gonna make a left turn. Oh, they have a swimming pool. Okay, hold on. We're gonna make a left turn here. More cars. Not clear. No, not yet. After this one. No. No. Gonna get stuck. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. Way back. We're going back. Chill, Sam. Sam, Summer. Look, look, look. Say hi. Summer. Kinig ka naman sa akin. Mag-hi ka naman. Ano ba yan? Sabihin mo, hi Davao, hi Manila. Hi Philippines. Yun. Hindi na-enjoy siya. tomato. Potato. Come on, Han. You want hot dog?
Very close.
Oh. Okay, let's go. Follow me. Okay, pabalik na kami sa aming pupuntahan. So, tahimik masyado dito. Yan. Yan yung mga Victorian houses here. So, chill lang talaga dito. Oh, wala pa masyadong tao kasi malamig pa. Just like I said earlier. Ganda ng araw. So nice.